Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to the second episode of Extended Reality from Cloud Studios, and this is Jyoti. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about various applications of AR, VR and MR technologies. And along with this, I am going to share few tech updates regarding tech aspirants and IT aspirants. To know more further details about these technologies, please watch the video till the end, and here we go. Before we start, I hope every one of you had watched my previous video of Extended Reality series featuring about differences between AR, VR and MR technologies. If not, please watch it and come back over here. You can find the video through the icons of this video. Okay, let me start with our first application, that is real estate. If you want to buy a new house, you need to visit the place where it is located and look it and observe the surroundings around it. But nowadays, as shown in below video, with the help of VR headsets and AR glasses, you can explore the house interior, surroundings and etc. without visiting the location. And with the help of augmentation, you can actually find various options in real estate around your surroundings, and you can even design your own house and show it for people. With these facilities in real estate, in coming days, real estate is going to change drastically. Now, the second application is about shopping and e-commerce. You guys are already familiar with online shopping, but with the implementation of AR technology, now you can have virtual trials of your products as shown in below figure. And for example, if you want to buy a car, you need not to go and visit the car showroom. With the help of VR headsets and metaverse, you can actually go to a virtual showroom and select your car and observe the interiors of it. You can actually customize your own car in different colors and designs as shown in below video. Metaverse is a term which is used to indicate a 360 degrees virtual environment created by using VR, MR and AR technologies. The best example for this metaverse can be my first web-based VR project, which is already shared in my YouTube channel. You can watch the video through the icons of this video. Actually, it's a private metaverse where user who has knowledge of virtual reality tools can create and access it. But now I am going to share details about a public metaverse. And this is our first update for the day, and that is Infosys along with the International Tennis Hall of Fame ITHF has created a tennis metaverse museum and made it publicly available for every individual user. That means this metaverse is accessible for every individual user, and we'll talk more about this in my upcoming video, and stay tuned for it. Now the third application is about tourism. Provides a new way to virtually explore all destinations around the world. As shown in below video, with the help of VR headsets, a person can explore the entire world, and with the help of augmentation, you can actually get the relevant information, interesting facts and some historical information regarding the tourism places. Now, the fourth application is about gaming. AR glasses, players can interact with the virtual characters and virtual objects onto their real environment. And using VR headsets and motion controllers in the real world, players can interact and control the game with their natural hand movements. Now, the fifth and final application is about education. With the help of AR apps, one can learn in an interactive way as shown in below video. With these technologies, one can learn and understand the concepts in an efficient way. And that's it about our applications of AR, VR and MR technologies. And now it's time for second update of the day, and that is about coders, tech aspirants, tech learners, IT industry people. That is, world's biggest product company Google is offering free online certification courses in courses like Python, Java, Big Data, Data Science, Digital Marketing, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Using these courses, one can avail free certificates from Google accessing these courses. The links for these courses will be shared in the description below. The interested people can go through there and achieve their certificates and use it for their careers. That's it about our today video, guys. I hope you all love it. And in this video I had shared various applications of AR, VR and MR technologies, and along with this I had shared two major updates of this month. That is, one is regarding with the Google's free online certification courses, and another one is regarding with the Infosys public metaverse museum. And as I had already said, we will talk more about this in my upcoming videos. Please stay tuned to Class Studios for more updates on this. And in this video, if you observe, I had shared multiple representations of AR and VR technologies using different apps through the videos, and it can be actually experienced by every individual. If you want to experience it more, please stay tuned for the Cloud Studios, and please do support me. And along with this, I had already started generative AI series and metaverse series, and two more series are in the planning of the upcoming days. And all I need is support from you guys. Please do support my channel. Closing for the day, this is Gautam from Cloud Studios, signing off.